In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up missed call text back GoHighLevel. Missed call text back is a simple automation that sends an immediate SMS to anyone who calls your business and doesn't get through. It reassures callers that you saw their call, sets expectations for a callback, and often turns missed opportunities into booked conversations. Let's walk through how to turn it on and make it sound like your brand. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening the specific location where you want this feature enabled. This setting is location-based, so make sure you're in the right place. From your dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all of your communication and phone configurations live. Inside Settings, select Phone System. You'll see options related to your numbers, voice, and messaging. At the top, choose the Voice tab to access voicemail and call-related preferences. In the Voice area, find the section labeled Voicemail and Missed Call Text Back. This houses the controls for both voicemail behavior and the automatic text back feature. Next, open the Missed Call Text Back section. Here you'll see a simple control to enable Missed Call Text Back. Turn that on. Once enabled, GoHighLevel will automatically send a text whenever a caller doesn't connect with your team, helping you acknowledge the call right away. Now, customize the message so it feels personal and useful. Keep it friendly, concise, and action-oriented. For example, confirm you missed the call, let them know you'll follow up shortly, and if appropriate, invite them to reply with a preferred time or quick question. It's also a good idea to include normal office hours so callers know when to expect a response. For compliance and deliverability best practices, consider adding language that makes it clear they can opt out of text at any time, such as reply stop to opt out. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Ensure your business phone number is properly connected in GoHighLevel so text can send successfully. Keep the message under typical SMS character limits to avoid splitting, and use a tone that matches your brand, whether that's warm and conversational or concise and professional. If you see a save or update button, be sure to save your changes before leaving the page. That's all there is to it. You've enabled missed call text back in GoHighLevel and tailored the message to your audience. With this in place, missed calls no longer mean missed opportunities, and every caller gets a prompt, helpful follow-up.